Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 80 WPM. Start. Thoughtful consideration has been given to the contentions raised by learned counsel for the parties, as also with their assistance, evidence, and documents placed on the record of the learned trial court have been perused. Full stop. It is the case of the prosecution that Paramjit Singh bracket appellant number 1 bracket close misbehaved and grappled with the wife of Rajinder Singh within bracket PW1 at the resident of latter in village. Full stop. This has not been mentioned in the FIR or in the first statement of Rajinder Singh within bracket PW1. Full stop. It may be mentioned here that this incident has been denied by the appellants. Full stop. This version seems to be afterthought, being a motive for alleged abduction of Rajinder Singh within bracket PW1 on 28/1/1997. Full stop. If the things had happened in this manner, Rajinder Singh within bracket PW1 would have associated his wife during investigation for giving her statement before the police and eventually during trial. Full stop. Non-examination of wife of Rajinder Singh within bracket PW1 by the police during investigation as also during trial causes considerable doubt in the prosecution version regarding motive of alleged abduction of Sundar Sham. Full stop. It is proved on the record that Shamshad, wife of Paramjit Singh within bracket appellant number 1, filed a complaint in the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class Chandigarh against Rajinder Singh within bracket PW1 under sections 323, 354, 504 and 506 IPC, wherein the latter was summoned wide order dated 19/5/2007 to face trial for alleged Sundar Sham. Full stop. So, the incident dated 24/1/1997 propounded by Rajinder Singh within bracket PW1, that Paramjit Singh bracket appellant number 1 bracket close misbehaved with his wife and later tendered apology is not made out from the record. Full stop. While from the testimony of DW3 bracket Anil Kumar bracket close, it is made out that Rajinder Singh bracket PW1 bracket close went to the house of Paramjit Singh bracket appellant number 1 bracket close in an inebriated condition and attempted to outraise the modesty of his wife. Full stop. This incident was confirmed by order dated 19/5/1997, whereby the learned magistrate summoned Rajinder Singh within bracket PW1 for facing trial for commission of offences punishable under sections 354 and 506 IPC on the basis of complaint filed by the wife of Paramjit Singh bracket appellant number 1 bracket close, as can be seen from the testimony of DW3 within bracket Anil Kumar, whose testimony during cross examination could not be shattered. Full stop. Even the offence under section 364 IPC is not made out as there were only simple hearts with blunt weapon on the person of Rajinder Singh within bracket PW1 full stop when the appellants were not armed with lethal weapons at the time of alleged abduction of Rajinder Singh within bracket PW1. It cannot be said that they intended murder of Rajinder Singh within bracket PW1 full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर स्टेनो लीगल डिक्टेशन।